2018 Lexus rc350. You want to change the cabin filter? Go ahead and open your glove box up. Pull out this tray. It just pulls right out. Your cabin filter is located in here, or behind this panel here. Pull these little clips up. You just take this right out. Push these tabs inward. And this cover will come right off. It holds your filter. Here's the filter here. This one's pretty dirty. Go ahead and order a new one. I'll leave a link in the description box for a new one, but the element just pops right out of this thing. Right? You get your new one, you just replace it. Stick it right back in. And it is notated with it up there. Everything just goes right back. It's real simple, real easy.